big breaking news right now. India has crossed the 1 lakh mark. It's reported more than 1 lakh coronavirus cases in 24 hours. Remember, this is the first since the pandemic began that India has reported these many cases, crossed that 1 lakh mark in a 24-hour period. 1,03,558 cases reported in the last 24 hours. Let's go across to Akshay for more on this. And Akshay, very, very worrying figures there. We will try and connect to Akshay, but if you can take you through the numbers: 478 deaths in the last 24 hours, and the total recoveries. Active cases so far are 7,41,830, and the number of deaths due to coronavirus in the country so far are 1,65,101. So a big breaking news: India has crossed that 1 lakh mark. If we can show you the coronavirus curve in the country, and you can see how the peak from the last wave is lower than the peak from this wave, and this wave has been a lot steeper as well. As you can see, the climb has been a lot steeper. We'll just bring up that wave in just a moment, but let's go the graph. Let's go across to Akshay for more on this story. And Akshay, we've crossed that very grim milestone, reporting over 1 lakh cases in 24 hours. Maharashtra, of course, the worst affected state, announcing measures. But tell us more about what the government is now doing.
Well, as far as the measures are concerned, the Maharashtra government has already said that if there is no other option, there will be a lockdown once again. There will be certain restrictions. As far as the central government is concerned, yes, there have been certain meetings that have taken place in the past few days. There is no clarity as to how the government is planning to put curbs as far as pan-India is concerned, because the number of cases have in fact reached the highest as far as 24 hours are concerned. More than 1,03,000 cases. Now, this is the highest ever number of COVID-19 cases. The last time the number were around 97,000, even at the peak on 17th December when we are talking, the number were highest last year. The graph, however, was less steeper than this one, because in just February we saw that less than 10,000 cases were being reported, and we are here just in the starting of April, and the numbers have already crossed 1 lakh mark. Now, this is going to be a big worry, not only for the government, but also for the people and the healthcare workers who are working round the clock as far as containment measures are concerned, treating people are concerned. And not long before the number of COVID-19 cases will not only be concentrated in just Maharashtra, because a lot of people who have been traveling from Maharashtra to other states, there is always a worry that the cases might spread to other states as well.